Want an assistant that doesn't just answer, but acts, opens files, extracts summaries, schedules a meeting? Today I'll walk you through building a simple multimodal AI agent that actually performs tasks you'd normally do manually. AI agents combine reasoning, tool use, and multimodal inputs, text, images, files. Big cloud providers and startups are investing in agents and multimodal models this year. It's a major trend for 2025 because agents can automate complex workflows. Overlay citation to AI trends reports. Pick one use case to start. I'll show research plus meeting prep. Agent will open a doc or link, extract 5 bullets, find 2 related articles, and draft a 1-paragraph summary and calendar invite. Keep the scope small and test. You can use dedicated agent platforms or composable tools. I recommend starting with a no-code agent platform plus an LLM provider or integrated tool. Reasons: faster setup, built-in connectors, Google Drive, Gmail, calendars. I'll demo using a sample no-code agent builder. Follow along. Platform list: no names required if you prefer, but mention categories. No-code agent builders, LLM providers, integrations. If you want, I can make a follow-up demo naming specific vendor UIs. Just comment below. Step 1. Create agent, add connectors, Google Drive, Gmail, calendar. Step 2. Define trigger, new meeting request with subject X or button prep for meeting. Step 3. Add tools, document reader, multimodal, web search tool, summarizer tool, calendar creator tool. Step 4. Create prompt skeleton. When triggered, open attached docs, extract 5 key points, search web for 2 up-to-date articles, compose a 200-word meeting brief, and create calendar invite for suggested time. Important guardrails: limit agent permissions, read only where possible, add citation to AI trends and security considerations. Once you have a reliable agent, scale to other tasks. Triage customer support, summarize long reports, and auto-draft replies. Start with one agent, measure the time saved, and gradually expand. If you want a follow-along video naming exact platforms and showing UI clicks, say Demo Agent in the comments. I'll make it next week. Subscribe to Code to Concept like if this was useful, and tell me which task your agent should handle. Thank you for watching.